sir, 1987. Monte Carlo SS Air Coupe. I'm just giving y'all a rundown when I'm about to get done. So, okay. Started with the engine part. Yeah, it's dirty right now, except the motor part. But I decided, man, I'm gonna get all this. All this gonna be painted same color as the car. That's why I ain't put everything back in. I just said leave it out, so it'll be easy for them to you know what I'm saying, get to the areas and paint. I got new everything, starting with the wheel wood master cylinder. I'm getting a new brake booster. I'm gonna get the wheel wood. I got the wheel wood proportional valve. All this gonna be painted. You know what I'm saying? It look ugly right now, but trust me, I see it all. I already see the finished product. I got vintage AC. I got the Mars pulleys. Man, I got everything for this car. Everything. Alright, move on to, I think, man, I'm gonna just hold on. I ain't gonna let y'all know. Y'all gotta wait, but you can see right here. Yeah, T-top. Gonna need replaced, fix, bring y'all this content. But I just booked, man. I'm booking with a guy. Man, I forgot his name, Mr. Get It Done. You know, so I'm gonna leave his subscription, his link in the on my channel, but he gonna be doing this T-top work for me. Man, for the price I got this car, I'm not gonna let it pass up. I just removed all the seats, man. I know it's a rust spot right in this area, but I might end up just replacing the whole floor pan. So I think I'm gonna let Mr. Get It Done do all that too. But yeah, T-top, air coupe, the window. But I'm gonna get all that done, the firework, all that stuff. Before I do all that, put the wheels back in, man. Boy, when I say, boy, when I'm done with this thing, what? Told y'all, man. My next move always be the best move. You know what I'm saying? Got this car for a little bit of nothing. Need some work, but all this can be fixed. That's why I jumped on it. T-tops. Already got the shift in now. I'm in the process of removing this carpet because if we go to the next shop tomorrow. Yeah, man, gotta order another radiator, man. I don't know what happened at the shop, man, but my radiator busted. So I had to order another radiator. But another radiator, man. Red top MSD, but like I said, I ain't put hardly nothing in here. I just wanted to get it run so it can run to the next shop, man. But all this, I'm telling you, all this right here, everything gonna be painted, looking good, man. I'm gonna just bring y'all through the process. I did my 84 the same way before I sold it. And now I'm, you know what I'm saying, bringing this content to y'all step by step. So, oh yeah, like I said, I kept my 4-inch cow, man. Boy, I'm getting the dash wrap. Everything gonna be touched. Got the new seat belts, all this stuff. I'm in the process of moving all this stuff right now. It might be a little rough now, but trust me, man, this ain't really nothing. Especially what I had to do to my 84, man. This ain't nothing. All this can be fixed. Wait till you see how that T-top work when it's done, man. Like I said, bro, I just booked with my guy, Mr. Get It Done. Yep. Wind ain't on. Yeah, like I said, we're doing the body work, but man, overall the body's straight. Like I said, just got the little few of the T-top part and the flow pans. Basically, that's the worst part on this car. All that can be fixed. We got this right here, man. So y'all the good or bad is right here. That's with the T-top, but it ain't really, that can be fixed too, so ain't too much worried about it. But all this, all new these, the inner and outer felts, all that, man. Just like I got on my last had on my 84, all that gonna be replaced, man. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. I'll bring y'all along through this journey with me. Show y'all how I get down, man. I got all the pieces, man. Just put over there in the corner. Seats right there. Big ass T-top with the bags, you know what I'm saying? Well, yeah. Just stay tuned, man. I told you. Better get some things moving. But yeah, stay tuned, man. Make sure you, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, share this video. Make sure you hit the notification bell. But yeah, oh yeah, new trans cooler. I got the new condenser. I just left that out because once I put my vintage AC in, you know what I'm saying? I left all the new stuff out. So I'm gonna get all the, you know what I'm saying? When they get paint, I don't want all that stuff to get dirty. You know what I'm saying? So left that out, paint. I'm gonna do my paint. I might do my paint first. I don't know. I gotta see. Do my paint interior, then go and do my engine stuff last. Man, I don't know, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. I know I'm gonna do my paint first. What should I do second, man? Should I well, paint ain't gonna be first. They gotta go to 2 more shops first. So, but I'm gonna let y'all know when they go to the shop. I gotta go to a shop tomorrow, which I'm gonna do a video. And like I said, I gotta get the T-tops done first. T-top done first before I get it painted. But going to the next shop tomorrow, T-top shop. He said he'll give me in a few weeks, and then it's gonna be the paint. Now after I get it painted, what you think I should do next? Should I do the interior? Or should I go ahead and put all my engine stuff and all that stuff in first? But like I said, I got the, I'm thinking about just probably doing the interior because he gonna have to build me a console. I'm gonna get a console, get all that stuff, but that's gonna be further down in the video, man. But like I said, man, make sure, man, you stay tuned, man. I'll bring y'all this content, man. Okay, guys, I did remove the carpet. As you can see, I did put the one seat back in here, but just to move around. But you can see, man, just mainly surface rust. Clean all that up. The only bad spot, like I was saying, man, is that part right there. I'm gonna go ahead and order that piece. Man, you can get the I think the front right. You know what I'm saying? Order all that stuff from Mike Money's, man. So if you anything for your Monte Carlo, Mike Money's, that's what the place to go, man. But yep, that's it. So main thing, T-top, and then just that little part patched up, fixed, painted. And yeah, man, moving on forward, baby. Yes, sir. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button. It can even be a dislike. You know what I'm saying? As long as you hit the button, you know what I'm saying? Hit that notification bell, man. And I'm out. Peace.